Can I rely on you to do that?
Mhm.
Okay, great. So let's get started. So boys, one of the things that I thought was really interesting, Cam, I need you to put your eyes on the screen because I think you're doing something else right now. And I can ask mom to come supervise if you need, but if you're gonna be here, you've got to be 100% here. Does that make sense?
Mhm.
Okay, great. So I'm going to ask you boys, how many ways could Mr. Kramer, Zayaan, and Cam sit in a line? So how many different ways? So here you have a line, you have 3 boxes.
We could do alphabetical order.
Well, let me ask you a question. The question is how many ways? So I want you guys to write down like C, like K, Z, C. Or
Okay.
and so pick up that pencil and I want you to tell me how many different combinations.
Mom, you don't have.
And when you're done, Zayaan,
Mhm.
you tell me how many you were able to get. So what do you have so far?
I got KZC, CKD, KCZ, and then CZK, and now I'm doing my other one.
Okay. Oh, thank you so much, Cam, for getting pencil and paper. That's really important when we meet. That's the first thing that you should have gotten. And
I'm 3 people.
so Cam, I'm sorry, Zayaan, what did you get? How many different ways?
I got wait.
Don't give me the different ways.
I forgot a few ways.
Tell me how many different ways.
There's more than how much I did. I didn't do any of them with starting with D.
How many did you get so far?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay, now I'm not sure how you got 5. I want you to watch, and Cam, I'd love for you to turn your sound back on and to tell me how many you were able to get.
6.
Okay, now Zayaan, I want you to look up because Cam is correct. And I want you to look up though.
Yeah, I'm not done yet though.
But you know what? Put your eyes on the screen. Now, the way I do this, Zayaan, just take a break. Put your pencil down for a second. So if you say KZC, then you would say KCZ. Then you would start with, let's say, Z, KC, and ZCK. And finally, you would start with Cam, KZ, and Cam, ZK. So do you see, boys, that there are 2 where we start with K, there are 2 where we start with Z, and there are 2 where we start with C. So when you, Zayaan, had said that you could not, that you had 5, but you had none starting with Z, I'm not sure how that was possible because there were only 4, not including starting with Z. And Cam, do you have, Cam, are yours the same exact as mine?
Oh.
Is that a yes?
No, I just added that to my rename because you guys did.
Hey, Cam, did you get the same results that I got?
Uh-huh.
You did? Okay, great. Now, and Zayaan, do you see the methodology that I used to solve this? The next one we're going to do is we're going to start out with 4, but we're going to make it a little easier. I'm going to call it A, B, C, D. And we're going to say, how many, and the word is, Zayaan, could you look up, please? I can't see you right now. Yeah, so maybe turn the computer down a little bit. How many permutations
Wait, we learned that.
with 4 items? And so now I'm going to give you guys a little push. We always go in alphabetical order. So A, B, C, D. Then what do you think we would do next?
For B.
Well, we're going to start with the A first,
Okay.
and then we're going to start with the B, but we're going to switch what, Cam?
D and C.
D and C. Now, A and B can't both be in the front, but A can still be in front. So what do you think I should put for the second one, Cam?
C.
Well, Cam, instead of shrugging your shoulders, I want you to look at the screen and I want you to answer the question.
I've got a little problem.
And what is that problem?
Your share on my screen is a little too big. Oh, there it goes.
What we're gonna do is I'm gonna unshare and share again. That happens to you a lot. It's about you managing your screen. Now, Cam,
Oh, there it goes. There it goes.
what do you put next as the next letter?
I think it's B.
A D.
No, we always go in alphabetical order.
A B C D.
It would be A, C. It would be A, C. And then, Zayaan?
So that, well, we put B. And then Kim. There's one more. You can do it.
Okay, but I think when you say BD. Now the next one, read that to me, Cam. Going in the same order.
A B C D. Oh wait, we already did that. My bad.
No, come on, you gotta follow the sequence.
A.
A.
Let's see. C. D B.
There you go. You have just joined the crowd. I am so happy. Zayaan, what's the next one? And Cam, you should be writing these down. Whatever else you're doing, stop doing it. And Zayaan, when you hit the mute button, that means we can't hear you. Don't hit the mute button again. Don't,
right?
Zayaan, don't hit the mute button. Zayaan, do not hit the mute button again. Okay, go.
Okay. A B.
Keep going.
Wait, let me see.
And Cam, if you were looking at the screen, you might be able to help us, but you're looking at something else. Right now.
B.
No, you never go out of order. It would
B, right?
be, come on, you say it. B, C. And Cam, you do the last one here.
A D C B.
Now, those are all starting with A. How many did we get, guys? Boys, how many did we get?
6.
Right. Now, how many do you think we will get if we did all of them? And Cam, if you're going to continue to look to the right of your computer, whatever that is, you're not going to be able to learn anything. So I want you to keep looking at the screen. I know it's really hard for you.
12, 24.
How did you just do that?
I counted by 6.
Oh
Because
my God.
if we did that, because we're probably going to do each one equally. And if we're going to do each one equally, we'd do 6 times 4, which equals to obviously 24.
Wow. Zayaan, that was masterful. Now, I want to teach you boys something. Are you ready? If
Yeah.
you have 4 items and you want to know how many permutations, you ready for this? I'm going to wait till Cam is paying attention. So Cam, when your eyes are on me, I know that you are paying attention. When they're not, I know that you're not. 4 factorial. Can you boys write that down? 4 factorial. You're gonna have to pick up your
4
pencil.
exclamation mark.
It's a 4 exclamation, and it reads 4 factorial. Now, 4 factorial equals, you ready for this? You're gonna like this. 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. So,
Okay.
Cam, we're gonna start with you. What is 4 times 3?
4 times 3. Let's see.
And do it.
12.
And Zayaan, 12 times 2.
12 times 2 is equal to 24.
And Cam, 24 times 1, of course, is,
24.
Yeah.
gentlemen, guess what? You get the same answer that Zayaan got when he figured out the number of permutations of A, B, C, D. Now, I'm going to ask you boys to do 5 factorial. Go ahead and write it down and then solve it. Remember, it's 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. Now, there is a fast strategy. Let's see if you can figure it out.
Counting by 5.
No. Definitely not counting by 5s, but it could be counting by 5s depending on your strategy.
Yeah, that's my idea.
And Cam, I know you're not working right now because you're looking at that thing that's to the right of your computer and you're not writing, because if you were writing, you'd be looking down and I'd see your pencil moving. In fact, I want you to back up a little bit so I can see your pencil to paper, because most of my students,
I got a little problem with that. My computer is plugged in.
what does that mean, buddy?
I can't move it because it's I can't move it. All I can do is tilt it.
You know what? Take out your headphones for a second so I could just mention to mom what I'm concerned about. Did you pull the plug? So Janine, are you there?
I'm here.
Okay, good. Yeah, so what I'm trying to do is Cam is very distracted. He's looking to the right of his computer. He's not writing when he's supposed to be writing. And what I'd love to do is to be able to see like that like if he were like maybe seated back a little bit, like a lot of kids, I can see them writing. Like I can see Zayaan right now. He's got his pencil, he's working it, he's thinking, he's working. I don't feel that same confidence. So yeah, that's way better. That's way better. So
Okay, see how you can see already?
thank you, Janine.
No problem.
And now, Cam, are you working this problem, Cam? What have you done so far?
I got the
Yeah.
one from
I see a blank piece of paper, start working.
Mom, it's not blank.
Okay, don't talk back.
Yeah.
Okay,
So,
I got the answer.
Cam, what have you
Okay,
done
answer.
so far?
Um, 4 exclamation mark equals 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. 5 exclamation mark equals 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1.
And what is that? What have you done? What operation have you done? Zayaan, go for it.
120 by my calculations.
Wow. Now, I wonder if either of you see that 4 factorial is already in 5 factorial, which is 24. Did you, Zayaan, just multiply 24 times 5?
So I took notes. I took notes.
Yes, but let me ask you, did you just multiply 24 times 5 to get your answer?
Yes.
Okay, great. And Kim, what are you doing?
Uh,
Well, you got to use your words because the screen is way too small
I
for you to see a paper waving around.
I've done I'm working on the 5 exclamation mark.
I know, but buddy, we know that we have to do 24 times 5. That's our job. And so you're going to do 5 times 20 plus 4. Zayaan, watch this. You're going to do 5 times
5 times 5 20 times. Wow.
And what is that, buddy?
C 5 10 15 20 25 30 35 40 45 50 55 60 75 80 85 90 95 100 110
Whoa, stop,
5
stop.
105.
Cam, just count by 20s.
Mm-hmm.
Cam,
Oh yeah,
20,
20 20 40 60 80.
that's only 4. I need 5.
100.
It's
And then
100.
100.
And then, Zayaan, what is 5 times 4?
5 times 4 is equal to 20.
And what is the sum of that?
The answer?
120.
Yeah.
Exactly. Now, boys, if I asked you to do 6 factorial, all you would have to do is 6 times 5 factorial. So 6 times 120. Why don't you go ahead and do that? Can't we do 6 times 100 plus 20? Come on, let's do it, boys. What
What
is
do you mean?
6 times 100, Zayaan?
600.
Yeah.
Excellent. And what is 6 times 20, boys?
6 times 20. Let's see.
See.
Come on,
12.
one more 20 after.
12.
No, that's
No.
6 times 2. That's 6
6
times 2.
12.
You have to tack on a 0 there, Cam.
120.
That is correct. So add those up together and you get 6 factorial. Go.
Add 120.
720.
All right, boys. 720 is correct. Now, let's do it again. 7 factorial is 7 times 720. Now, this one, I recommend that you do 7 times 700, and then 7 times 20. Do you guys know 7 times 7?
And I know.
If you do
Wait,
it,
let me see.
we could just tack on 2 zeros.
Okay.
If you know 7 times 7. Are you
Wait.
working it, Cam?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
So
but
let's see.
use your pencil. Use your pencil, boys.
5. 40.
Boys, what'd you come up with?
Wait,
49.
52.
Right, 4,900. And what is 7 times 20, boys?
7 times 20.
Just do 7 times 2, tack on a 0.
Oh, 7 times 2 is equal to 14.
14. So 114. So 140.
Come on, add them up, boys. You're amazing, both of you. Come on,
Wait,
9
okay.
plus 1.
9 plus 1 is 0. 9 plus 1.
Wait, whoa. What?
Guess what, guys? 7 factorial is 5,040. Now, I will challenge you this week to do 8 factorial. That means you're going to have to do 8 times 5,040, and you may want to think of 8 times 5,000 plus 8 times 40. It's a pretty amazing calculation, and I think you could get it rather fast. Now, gentlemen, I'm going to be online for you 5 minutes early next week because we lost 5 minutes because I was behind a car accident. So I will see you guys next week at 2:25, and I'll let your parents know. All right. Thank you, boys, for everything.
You're welcome. Bye. The pleasure is mine.
Bye.
Bye. Wait, come on. My computer is not working. It's not working. Come on. I can't move the. Got it.